Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install AWS SageMaker Studio Data Science Environment easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, navigate to the AWS Management Console. Sign in using your AWS credentials. In the search bar at the top, type SageMaker and select it from the drop-down. On the Amazon SageMaker dashboard, look for the SageMaker Studio option on the left side. Click on SageMaker Studio to proceed. If this is your first time setting up SageMaker Studio, you will need to create a new user profile. Click on the Create a New User Profile button. Provide a name for your user profile and configure the necessary permissions. You may opt for default settings for most users. Next, you'll need to choose an IAM role for this profile. If you don't have an existing role, you can create a new one through the provided link. Once the role is selected, click Create to finalize your user profile. After the user profile is created, return to the SageMaker Studio section. You will now see your user profile listed. Click on the Open Studio button next to your profile. This action will launch the SageMaker Studio interface. Once Studio is open, familiarize yourself with the layout. The left panel contains navigation options for notebooks, datasets, and experiments. To create a new notebook, click on the File menu at the top. Select New and then Notebook. Choose your preferred kernel for the notebook environment. Click on Create Notebook to start a new data science project. You can now upload datasets by clicking on the Upload button in the Data panel. Select the files you want to upload from your local machine. After the upload, these files will be accessible in your notebook. You can also install additional Python packages as needed. Use the terminal within SageMaker Studio for package installations. Now, you're ready to start your data science work. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.